Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I thought I'd bring you along on my at-home relaxing spa days, spa night, skincare routine. I like to start it by making a glass of cucumber infused water. I love cucumber the most as opposed to all of the other fruits that people like to put in their water. Cucumber just tastes the best for me. So if you're into infused water, go ahead and make you a glass, girl. It just makes your skincare routine that much more spa-like and relaxing. And two, you are supposed to be drinking that water every day, girl. So that's how I get my water in, by adding my cucumber and or my lemons. I do like cucumber and lemon in my water as well. Now that we have that in, I'm going to go ahead and get set up in the bathroom while my cucumber and my water marinate together. All right. And this is my facial steamer. I absolutely love this thing. Picked it up from Amazon, and boy, does it put out, girl. By the end of this video, girl, my bathroom is going to be so steamed up, really giving you that spa-like feel. I love it, love it, love it. And girl, meet the arsenal, girl. These are the things that keeps my skin happy and healthy. I absolutely love these products. Setting up my water, girl. Like I said, you can't do this without your water. Especially being in this little bathroom with all this steam going. I'm telling you, girl, it puts out. Not that it's like super hot to where it burns the skin. It doesn't do that. But this is my La Roche-Posay. You guys already know that I'm a fan of the La Roche-Posay. It's like the only cleanser that I use on my face. Now this one is gentle enough to use every day. Though I don't do it every day, but you definitely, most definitely can use this every day. I absolutely love it. And again, this is one of those Amazon finds. The links to almost everything you see in the video will be down in the description box, so don't skip over it. Just lathering up my skin, getting ready to, cleanse my skin of the day. Though I didn't wear makeup today, I did wear makeup yesterday. Okay. And I always love to have my steamer going while I'm applying all of my skincare. I just feel like it just helps the skincare just absorb into the skin as the pores are, open. It just helps. And I love the way my skin feels after having had the steamer going. Definitely a good investment. And they're relatively affordable, so don't think you don't need one, girl. You need one. Go ahead and add it. Tell your boo you need one for your birthday, for Christmas. Just for GP, girl, you need one. Grab it. Girl. So right now I'm going to just rinse my cleanser off the face while enjoying some of that good steam. Yes. Patting the face dry as not to drag the skin. We don't want to drag and stretch and stress the skin. I forgot who taught me that, but I think I did learn that from right here on YouTube. No dragging the skin, ladies. No dragging it. Enjoying some of that steam. I'm telling you, the steamer is just life-changing. Life-changing. Then once my face is semi-dry and my under eye area, I like to go in with my eye cream. I like to go ahead and get my eye creams, my eye serums working and going. I think for me, that's my favorite part. I'm going to add eye cream. If I don't add anything else, I'm always going to add my eye cream. Now my eye cream, slash serum, I get that one from the spa where I go and get my laser hair removal, and I absolutely love it. Now it is pricey, super pricey. I want to say it was like 90 bucks. Yeah, but you can get it on Amazon as well. It's a little cheaper there, I do believe, or it might be just about the same, but it's definitely a good one. Now this ordinary toner is really, really good. This is my second bottle of it, girl. It's my favorite, next to witch hazel. Now I do enjoy using a regular witch hazel as well. I love witch hazel. Go ahead and get your tone on, girl. And I try not to put it so close to my eye area, because sometimes things like toners and anything that can be kind of strong, it burns my eyes a bit. So I make sure I don't get it around my eyes too close. Not to say that this will irritate the eyes. I don't know, because I don't let it do that. I don't put it that close. But it is great. It is a good toner though. I love it. And I just apply it with regular cotton balls. Enjoying some of that steam. Gotta stay hydrated. And usually by the time I'm done applying my products, my water's finished. That's like a 16-ounce glass. All right, now it's time for the eye cream, the eye serum. Whatever you use, cream, serum. Apply it next. And this that expensive ass cream / serum that I use. Though it is pretty good though. I will say that it is good. And I use 1 pump under each eye. And I drag any residual onto my actual eyelids. All right, now this one, girl, this one's the star of the show. Now this one is almost out. It's about time for me to re-up. But this serum right here, girl, thebomb.com. Love, love, love. It really diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Like, it works. I swear by this one. I'll have it linked down below. It is by The Ordinary. It's my Matrixel 6. Love it. Neck, face, and forehead is where I normally apply it. And I massage it in upward. It's not to drag it downward because we don't have time for anything on our face sagging. Now I go between my jade roller and my quartz roller. Now this one is quartz. Either or works perfectly fine. And I did pull this out of my skincare fridge, so it's nice and cold. And this just helps depuff the skin, promotes, lymphatic drainage, all that good stuff. No puffiness over here, girl. And like I said, it's best used cold. Keep it in the refrigerator. If you have a skincare fridge like myself, keep it in there. All of my eye creams and my eye serums are in my skincare fridge. Just enjoying some of that steam, soaking it in. right, now I'm going in with my Chorus sleeping mask. Now this facial cream feels so good. OMGG. So good. And it has vitamin C in it, so it does brighten the skin. I just love it. And I love the way my face feels when I wake up too. Still real soft and juicy. Face is ready for makeup, if I choose to wear makeup. Nice and soft and glowy. All the links to today's products will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over it. Starting this, I had a slight headache. By the end of my mini facial, my headache was legit gone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.